Hey, what's up? It's your girl. Let me see if it's right, if the camera's okay. Hey, what's up? It's your girl, Jasmine with the G, back at it again with another video. So today's video is going to be about how to slay your edges, honey. As you can see, I did not lay my edges, but we're about to slay them together. Okay, so let me show you the products. Oh, and you can see my face is beat, and I have an owie on my head. I have an owie, but it's okay. But yeah, as you can see, my edges isn't laid already. I didn't put makeup around the part where, oh, I cannot talk. Oh, I hate this. Okay, I didn't put makeup around the part where I'm about to lay my baby hairs because I don't like when I get makeup in my baby hairs. Ugh, I freaking hate it. So I just do makeup around it. So let me show you the products I use. You can go to your local beauty supply and get your hair products or whatever. Anyways, here's the brush that I use. This is my favorite brush. It works so good. Oh my God, I love it. So, and it's very cheap too. So you can get it at your local beauty supply. Edge control brush. That's what it's called. And these are the two products that I use. And I'm gonna show you why I use two products. This one, if I use this one by itself, it makes my edges, it makes them look white. And I hate it. Ugh. When I mix these both together, it has like a moisturized, smoother look. Instead of when I do this one by itself, it looks all dry. So I don't like that. So I mixed both of these together. This is what I do my baby hairs with. And this is what I slick my ponytails with, okay? And this works so bomb. Oh my God. If you can't see it. So, yeah, let's get into slaying these baby hairs, okay? And I'm about to get ready to go out for drinks with my friends. Or probably just chill and watch. I keep saying, I always be like, I'm about to go out for drinks. And I bet you don't ever go out. I don't ever go out for drinks. I always say that shit though. I'm gonna go out for drinks. Don't go no motherfucking where besides in the house. Okay, let me show you. Ooh, whatever. So first product I'm gonna use is this one. And I use my nails. I don't use the back part. I don't know. I like to use my nails. So let me show y'all. Y'all can see me. So first, let me make sure I have enough. Let me show you how I slay my edges to the gods. Okay. I hate using this one by itself. Okay, first, you just take it and you use a circular motion. Like a circular motion and swoop it down. And this is what I do. Let me show you what I do. So after I take it and lay it down, I take my nails because they're so sharp and I just go like that. And I use my hands to smooth it out. So do that. I do it until I get the look that I want. Okay. And then I take the gel and go over it to give it the smoother look. And then take my nail again. Or you could take the back of this and then use this to use it. But I like to use my nails. Let me put some gel up there too. Okay. And you can do any type of style that you will like. This is one of my styles that I use on a daily. I use this style all the time. I like this look, especially with the slick back look. Ooh, it looks so nice. Oh, when I was watching, I went back and watched my other YouTube videos that I just posted. And I was like, bitch, you didn't even tell them the whole story. Like, I didn't even give y'all no tea. I'm just like talking. I basically was babbling. I was like, oh my God. I need to start taking notes so I can not just be, because when I get in front of the camera, I kind of just freestyle. I kind of just go off the top of my head, which is, it's okay. But me, I can't do that. I gotta know what I'm about to say. I don't know. Swoop and swoop. As you can see, ooh, these ledges. Can't you see this? Oh, and I got the Ashanti sideburns. So, oh well. And those of you who know what I mean when I say that, you 90s babies understand what I mean when I say Ashanti sideburns. I have that, but it's okay. I love my sideburns, and Ashanti, I love yours too. It's pretty. So I'm gonna try to lay these sideburns down. You see them? They're so long. But yeah, as I was saying, I went back and I watched my other videos and I was like, bitch, you did not say all the tea. Like, I don't know, it's like I was sugarcoating the shit. And I was like, yeah, I'm not about to do a remake because that'd be stupid. So next time I do my other videos for you guys and story times and girl talks, I'm gonna just tell you exactly how it really went down and tell you exactly everything. And stop just trying to make a video without fucking thinking. But yeah, y'all getting ready with me. So I do the same thing on this side. Take my nail. You see how easy that is for me? Ugh, I cannot stand that I have to put this Band-Aid on my nails. I don't know. I really like my nails being nice and pretty. And like when I break a nail, I'm really dramatic and extra. I be sad as hell. It really killed my mood. Oh, especially if I'm at work or something. It's like, you damn sure can't get it fixed. And thank you guys for tuning in. As you guys watching me, could you subscribe to my channel? I would definitely love that, and that would help me out so much. Also, like this video. Comment at the bottom. And tell me what y'all want to see. What more do y'all want to see of me? Let me know. What do you want to know about me? And I'll be real. I'll be 100. Stop sugarcoating shit with y'all. I was like, bitch, what are you talking about? When I watched those last videos. And I'm in here sweating. Oh, Lord. Sacrificing the air. Jesus. If I cut the air on, you're going to hear it. Okay, let me get this gel because it feels all dry. Okay, sis. Look it. Let's see. I'm sweating, y'all. Oh my God. But it's alright. They late. Now let me fix it. My makeup. I was a bitch sweaty. But you see? I'm sweating, y'all. Look it. But okay. And this is how you lay your edges. It's so easy. So you just take it, circular motion. Take your, if you have nails, nail, or the comb, the edge control brush, because it comes with the comb at the end, so you can be able to swoop it into swirls and everything. I do that too, but not all the time. This is the one that I use mainly all the time. Because I love it. Oh, when I tell y'all, I didn't always used to know how to lay my edges. Oh, they used to look so trash. Trash. Like that. Sit your edges, head ass down. Grown woman edges. Not no baby hairs. Okay, so I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. So I love my baby edges, and I know you're gonna love yours too. And if you love this video, just coming at the bottom. Well, yes, coming at the bottom. Talk to me. Talk to me. And like the video, and let me know if you like the video by commenting at the bottom once again, because I just said that 2 seconds ago. This is why I need to take notes, because I be talking. I just be talking. But yeah, like and subscribe and just keep bearing with me. And I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna be posting all the time. All the time. And I'm still gonna post dancing videos. So yeah, let me get ready to go, because it's late. This is what people do. I'm on my way and don't be on my way. But thank you so much for tuning in and getting ready with me. Jasmine with the G, the one and only. I would sip my drink, but y'all gonna be like, ugh, what you drinking that for? So I ain't gonna do that. Y'all can't see that hood side of me yet. Okay. Ooh, girl, look it. I'm acting like this video about to be in slow motion. So normally I'll be like, and it goes in slow motion, but I forgot, like, I'm not about to edit it. But anyways, bye.